Hi everyone, welcome to our new lesson. This is the first lesson to start drawing our products. In this lesson we will design this keychain and let's get started. It's so easy and start drawing. First of all, I select this ellipse tool here and start drawing an ellipse. When I'm drawing this ellipse, I hit and hold down to Ctrl key to draw a perfect circle here. And then I release the mouse button and Ctrl key. And then I must select this circle sizes here. 50 and 50 millimeters is enough for keychain. And then I must have another circle here because I write this names in it. So I click this circle here and hold down the shift key and draw a little bit smaller circle and click the mouse left or right click and release mouse and release the shift key. And then I have two circles here, but I must have one object here to set this circle, and I select these two objects and then I select this combine tool and then I have a circle frame here. And then let's write these names here. Select text tool here and my first name is John and click here. My second name is Jane, and you can use any font, but I want the lobster font because I love this font. Before take this text here, we must edit text because I must have one object, but this text is 4 letters. So let's edit this. Select this text and convert to curves to convert my text to an object. This 4 object here. So I must have one object here so I take this object and click the break apart tool, and this space is gone, disappeared. But I want to this because this is O letter, and I'm selecting this blank space to here and select only O letter and select combine tool. Okay, this is good and very good, yes. And this is 4 letter here, but I want to combine to one object. So I'm clicking this and holding down the mouse key and holding down the shift key and slide to on top of G letter and again H to O and N to H. Yes. And then select the 4 letter here and click the Weld tool, and now this is one object. And then I'm taking this here and a little bit bigger and taking this here on top of our circle frame because we must combine it. Here is very good. And then let's edit this Jane name here. I select this text, arrange and convert to curves, and then select and use the break apart tool, and A and E keys, the spaces is gone, but I select the E and combine it. Select the E and combine it, and then take this to, I click this and holding down the mouse button, holding down the shift button and slide to the top of G and click, hold down the mouse, hold down the shift key and slide here and again, and select the 4 letters here and select the Well tool. And then I'm taking to here and a little bit bigger, enlarging here and taking here this a little bit, enlarge it. Okay, this is very pretty good, and I want to draw a 2 hearts here to a little bit pretty looking keychain. So I select this basic shapes tool and I select the heart here, and then when I'm drawing the heart I hit and hold on the control key, and when I'm finishing the drawing I release the mouse and release the control key and take the pick tool, and I'm taking this to here. Maybe I want to turn a little bit, so I click once and take this icon and a little bit turn. Yes, and then once click and then taking here, take here, a little bit enlarge. I'm copying with mouse left key. You can take this here and click mouse right click and release the mouse. Yeah, copy it. And then I'm finished our keychains design, but I must combine all these objects. So I select this all objects here and click the Well button here, and ta-da! We have a keychain, but we must draw this little circle because our key ring is here, and I select the circle tool here and drawing with control key, holding down to control key, and then 3 millimeters is enough for this, and select this circle and holding down the shift key and click this object and hit the C button on the keyboard. This is alignment horizontally, and select this and holding down the mouse key. When I'm taking here, holding down the shift key and holding down here and release mouse button and shift button, and our keychain is ready to cut in the laser cutting machines. This lesson is finished here. See you in the next lesson. Hi everyone. In this lesson we will draw this keychain design, and it's so easy. Let's get started. I am taking the text tool and I write it my name, but you can use any name here. So for example, Merve and Mahmud and I writing here, and then I'm taking the pick tool, align to center, and I use audio white font, but you can use every font here. I'm taking shape tool here and near here, and then this lock tool must be on, and I set the length to 50 millimeters, and my text is ready, and I'm taking here, and then I select the effects and contour, this right tool here, and then I take the text and select the outside contour and select the size of contour, and it must be smooth corners, round corners, and I select it and click apply. And then I got this, and when nothing I click and I hit the Control key and hit the blank button and click the outside object and click object properties and set outline to hairline and fill is none. As you can see, our text cloud is ready, and you can use in laser cut machine, cut the outside and engrave the text here, and then I set the outside size here, and then I made this hole here for our keyring. I'm selecting the ellipse tool and then Control key, hit down Control key and draw a circle and sizes here, and then pick the circle, take the picture and enlarge and copy the circle, and I'm taking two objects here to on top of our cloud. It must be here or must be maybe here. This is very good. And then I'm taking on top of our cloud, and after that taking here, I'm clicking the bigger circle here and then hold down shift and click our cloud and use the weld tool. Okay, our keychain drawing is ready. Here is keyring hole, and here are keychain for your laser cutting machine. See you another lesson. Goodbye. Hi everyone, welcome to our new lesson. In this lesson we will make this keychain design, and it's very easy to make and you can make it very quickly, and you can follow me, you must follow me very carefully and apply at the same time. First of all, I'm taking the text tool and I will write the name, but I must take a bold font, for example Arial Black font, and I'm writing the name and take the pick tool and select the Arial Black font. And you can use Ctrl Q key or select Convert to Curves in Arrange menu for convert the text to an object. I'm selecting the Convert to Curves and use the Break Apart tool, and I select the E letter and use Combine tool, and this letter must be edited because this is a Turkish text and this is Turkish letter, and I'm taking this object over the S letter and select two objects and use Weld tool, and I'm taking the letters to another letter because it must be one object. I'm taking this here. You can slide the letters with the holding down the shift key, and I slide it all letters and select it all letters and use Weld tool, and I select this and fill with none and select the outline with hairline, and I got a one object. And Now we will draw keychain hold here, but I select the text and select the sizes. I'm taking the text here and set the sizes with 50 millimeters, and I'm taking the rectangle tool and drawing a square with holding down the Control key, and then I'm taking the pick tool and draw a smaller square but holding down the Shift key and click the right click, and I select the two objects and combine it. Our text and square is ready, and we must combine these objects. This must be smaller, and I'm showing it, and I'm taking here, but these corners must be on top of our text, but this line is not be here because this space is not cut, must be not cut. So I select the shape tool and I'm taking this node to here. I'm sliding the node and it's ready to combine it, and I'm taking the pick tool and select the text and our holding, and I'm using the Well tool. Our keychain is ready. You can use this keychain ring hold any text and any letter. This is ready, and bye. Hi everybody, welcome to my new lesson. In this lesson we will learn to draw two heart keychain for couples or anyone. Let's get started. First of all, I'm taking this basic shapes and taking this heart here, and I'm drawing a heart with Control K. It's enough. And I'm copying a new heart to here with holding down the Shift key. Yes, that's good, but let's add something new. I'm taking this heart and select Arrange and Convert to Curves, and selecting Shape tool, clicking this node, and I'm taking this here from arrow to here. Yeah, that's really cool. And I'm copying this heart and I'm selecting the two hearts here and combine it, and then I want to draw another heart here. I'm copying with left click, right click, and I have two hearts, but I want to do this a little bit smaller, so I'm taking here, and then I'm taking all these hearts and click the Well tool. Yeah, my hearts is ready, and now let's write something here. For example, for you, babe. And taking a good font here, and a little bit smaller, and taking here, and then select text, fix the path, and I'm taking this here, and then I take here and taking the shape tool and smaller and smaller for my text, and taking and select the font size to fit this area. Yeah, it's cool. I'm taking this already. That's enough. And let's draw a keychain ring hold here. I'm taking ellipse tool, drawing an ellipse with Control key, and set the sizes 4 and 4. And I'm copying this circle with holding down the Shift key and click the right mouse click. I'm taking this to here. Okay, and select my hearts and holding down the Shift and select this big circle. And no, this didn't work because it's text here. For this, I am convert the text to curves, arrange, convert to curves, and this is ready. Selecting the hearts, holding down the Shift, select big circle, and hit the well button. Okay, our keychain is ready. Don't forget to setting sizes and open this lock icon here. I'm set this to 5100 and okay, my heart keychain is ready. See you in another lesson. Goodbye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my new lesson and the new keychain design. Let's get started for our new keychain. And first of all, I'm taking this rectangle tool here and I'm drawing a rectangle for freestyle, and I'm taking this. I drawed a new rectangle and then set the sizes here 50 millimeters and maybe 15. I'm unlock this ratio and set the sizes and lock this button here, and I want these corners round, so I set the sizes here, for example 5 millimeters. Yeah, this is cool. And I taking ellipse tool here for the whole of keychain. I'm drawing a circle 4 and 4 millimeters, and I'm taking this to here, center of circle to center of rectangle, and I'm taking this object and hold down the Shift button and slide here and release mouse and Shift key. Yeah, our base is ready. Let's draw a name or a title here for engraving or cutting for laser cutting machine. I'm taking the text tool and writing the name Johnny. Yeah, that's cool. And select the font here. This very cool font, this is. And I'm taking this here for setting the sizes. This size is very good for our keychain, and I'm taking this text out of here and click the text, arrange, convert curves, and break apart. And then I must be combine this O key because I'm set this hole here because this mustn't be, this can't be full. So I taking this rectangle tool, drawing a rectangle just like this, and set the size 1.5 millimeters, and I'm taking this here. I'm taking this to center, to this letter center, and click here, click and hold down, and then hold down shift and a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's cool. And I'm select the OK and the rectangle object and hit the back minus front tool, and yeah, my text is ready. Set the outline with hairline and fill. Yeah, my text is ready, and take this here. Our new keychain is ready. This is super easy and this is super fast to draw a keychain. Okay, this keychain is ready. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.